jury convicted Zach Adams of killing Holly Bobo. Not long after that, his brother pled guilty. But now, 1 full year later, the case remains open. Jason Autry, the third defendant and the state's star witness, still awaits his fate. Tonight, News Channel 5's Nick Barris with exclusive details on how and when this case will finally close.
It really is stunning. 7 years after the murder of Holly Bobo, one of the accused, yes, is still awaiting trial. Either that or more likely a plea deal that sets him free years earlier than many might have expected. You remember Jason Autry.
What was your plan of disposing of Holly's body?
Mr. Gutter.
Autry is a co-defendant. He was charged along with Zach and his brother Dylan Adams in the Bobo case. It was 1 year ago that Autry turned state's evidence to testify against Zach Adams.
That's the way the game is played. You have a case that's circumstantial with some physical evidence, but you need someone to tell the story. And so he was important. He had to tell the story. And so that's why he was valuable. How valuable he was, we'll find out when they cut his plea deal.
At trial, Autry admitted to trying to help Adams dispose of Bobo's body.
And I grabbed the upper torso of Miss Bobo. Zach come around, let the tailgate down. I brought the upper torso to the end of the tailgate.
It was chilling testimony that sealed Adams' conviction and a life sentence. But now, 1 year later, Autry is still sitting in Riverbend Maximum Security Prison waiting. The case is stalled. Why?
Because as the state is concerned that if the case is reversed, and in my opinion there's a strong likelihood of that they'll need him again.
That's right. Legal expert Jim Todd thinks Adams could get a new trial on appeal. And Adams' attorney, Jennifer Thompson, says she is still waiting on the transcripts from the trial so she can formally file her appeals on the case. So, in a nutshell, what does this all mean? Well, no one knows if an appeal will actually be granted, but Autry, who many once thought might get a sweetheart deal, needs to start getting comfortable behind bars. Even a year later, it doesn't look like he'll be getting out anytime soon. Nick Barris, News Channel 5.
So Zach Adams is currently serving life in prison. His brother Dylan pled guilty to facilitation and is serving 35 years.